What's up, everybody? Most people completely miss this one thing that makes building a profitable community 10 times faster. There's one foundational asset that you can create one time, and once you do, you can leverage it forever. So the problem is 99% of the people building communities skip this step completely, and that's exactly why I believe a lot of them struggle. So because without this, you're basically just winging everything. But with it, it's like you have a blueprint that tells you exactly what to do at every step. You gain complete clarity around everything in your business. You creating irresistible offers becomes a whole lot faster and easier. Creating content just writes itself. And today, Jeff and I are going to share you exactly what this asset is, how you can create it for your own community. Then I'm going to show you exactly how we use this exact asset with AI to grow and monetize our communities 10 times faster. So trust me, this is the kind of thing that is going to completely change your business. So stick around to the end because it's going to be a really key piece. It's very simple, but once you create this thing, it opens up a lot of doors. And I'm going to show you exactly how that happens. Okay. All right. So what you're looking at here is a positioning statement. This comes from Alex Hormozi's $100 million offers. And so this statement kind of helps you clearly define who you help, the problem that you help them solve, and then how your offer solves that ideal avatar's problems in a unique way. Okay, so here's the statement. I help unique avatar, so that's your ideal customer, solve a specific problem. So really understanding the problem that you're going to help people solve, and then in a unique way. And that's what we're going to talk about today that reverses their biggest objection. So now, hopefully most of you guys that are watching this, you kind of already have your niche and understand the problem that you solve and who you help solve. If not, we've got some training in our free community that can help you with that. But the first thing that we want to do is, if we're going to kind of map out the unique way that we help people solve problems, is we really need to understand the transformation that they're looking for. So the first thing that we get people to do is to get really clear on, first of all, that problem that they help solve. And that's the before state. That's where they're experiencing a problem that they want to solve, right? And then if we understand the problem, for me, for example, the problem we help people solve is coaches and course creators are struggling to consistently get clients and make sales so they can create a stable income and grow their business, okay? So that's just a very simple version. Now, if I want to understand what the transformation is and what they're after, then I just kind of flip that on its head and say the opposite. So after they go through our program, they're going to have a predictable client acquisition system that's going to help them consistently bring in new clients every single month so they can have a stable income and grow and build a lifestyle business. Okay. So that's the transformation. What is the problem that they're currently experiencing? And then what is the transformation that they want to get to? Okay. Now, once you understand where they are, their before state, and then you understand where they want to go, there's a gap between those two states, right? And so your process is the step-by-step, or your product roadmap is what we call it. It could be called transformational process or whatever you want to call it, but we call it product roadmap, is the step-by-step process that this person must go through from having that problem that they want to solve all the way to the transformation. They have to go through a series of steps to do that. And so that is what we believe is probably one of the most important assets that you're ever going to build in your business. And I'm going to prove that to you here a little bit later. Okay. So what we do, this is the first step that we get everybody in our program to do, is to map out their process. Because once you have this document, there's so many things you can do with it. So let's talk about the goal of this product roadmap. So the goal of product roadmap is, first of all, it gives your offer structure. And we'll show you that in just a second. It's really hard to create an offer if you really don't understand how you deliver what you're delivering, how you give people the transformation that they're after, okay? So it gives your offer structure. It helps your potential clients visualize that you actually have an offer that will help them reach their desired outcome. So if you can show your customers that you have a defined path that they can follow to get the result that they're after, they're going to trust you a whole lot more and potentially buy from you, okay? Also, once you have that visual version of the product roadmap, you can appeal to the logical side of the brain, which helps people make decisions. And then finally, it creates a foundation for all of your marketing and sales assets that you'll ever create. And I'll also prove that to you in a second. So let me show you what a final version of a product roadmap. This is our product roadmap. And so this is a document essentially. And basically, once we have this, we have a document that we can use with AI to create everything a whole lot faster and easier. So that is the product roadmap. Okay. So once you have this product roadmap built, you can use it to create offers. Let me show you the visual version of this. It's a little bit easier to look at. So once we have the actual written document, you can use this to create your offers a whole lot faster. You can use it to create YouTube videos, emails, lead magnets, workshops, webinars. Everything becomes a whole lot easier. We even use this in our sales process when we jump on sales calls. So again, that we can show people that we have a logical path to help them to get their desired outcome, which for us is that 10K community blueprint, right? That's kind of what people are after. And so I used this same product roadmap in my most recent webinar, and that generated just under 30K. We did it twice, and that generated over just under 30K in about the span of 3 weeks. So this stuff works really well when you can show people that you have a clear path. All right. It also becomes, like I said, a key to streamlining everything in your business, your marketing, your sales, everything. I'm going to show you what becomes possible once you have this product roadmap when you combine it with AI. So I showed you the document. Now I'm going to show you what you can actually do with this product roadmap and AI, because when you're using this with AI, when you can give this to AI, you're giving it context around your business so that it can fully understand exactly what you do. And it's not just pulling out information from thin air. It knows how you help people and the steps that you take people through in your process. So what we've actually done for our elite members is we've actually created a bunch of AI tools that can be used with their product roadmap to help them to create all kinds of that stuff. So let me just go through our product roadmap and I'll show you some of the tools that we've developed that uses the product roadmap to do this step in the process a whole lot faster and easier. So this is our offer creation consultant. And so people in our boot camp actually can set this project up for themselves. And so basically what we do is we come in here, here's my program. Can you help me create an offer? We paste it in the product roadmap. And then it asked me a few questions. I came down here and I answered those questions. And then it starts to consult with me to create an irresistible offer, okay? Now, I just went through this really quickly and I didn't have the back and forth conversation, but I could if I wanted to. So basically it will help you to build out your big, bold promise. It'll help you to come up with your unique mechanism. It'll basically help you understand, all comes from Alex Hormozi's like $100 million offer book. So it's basically trained on how to create great offers. It helps you to map out like your deliverables. It helps you to come up with objection crushers. So that's going to be stuff that you can use in your content. And then at the end, I won't go through everything, but it builds out a one-page document that basically gives the structure of your offer. So this thing will help you to create your offer in like 10 minutes. And it's all trained on our specific frameworks on how to do that. So that's next week what we're doing. And then week 4, I think, is creating the free course in your community. So a lot of people struggle with, hey, what do I put in my free community? And then what they end up doing is they just fill it with all this great content that's like super valuable. And the problem with that is, first of all, we all know that less than 10% of people who actually pay for a course go through and consume that entire thing. So you can imagine that number drops significantly when you're talking about a free community. So first of all, your people, your free members probably aren't even going to consume that content. And that content is really doing you a disservice, because if you have hours and hours of content in your free community, people feel like they can just sit inside that free community and consume that content. They want to finish that first before they think about converting and upgrading. So what we teach is creating a free course that is essentially a webinar. Now, there's still tons of value in that, but you're doing high-level teaching, right? And then you're showing all the cool things in your program that help them to execute that thing faster. It's kind of like what we're doing here, to be quite honest. But what we've also developed for this is we've created a webinar script writer that basically will take the product roadmap and then we'll write the script, and it's trained to write the webinar scripts the way that we want it to write. So I'm just going to do this live. I paste it in our product roadmap. I say, can you review my program and help me write a high converting webinar script formatted so that I can simply copy and paste it into Canva quickly to create my slides. I'm going to click go, and then that's going to, while that's writing the webinar, we're going to go and we'll talk about the next tool. Okay. So that's kind of like our launch process. And we did that in what, 20 minutes, Jeff?
Oh yeah, that's so fast.
So now let's talk about traffic, because everybody kind of wants to know how do you get traffic. So with the product roadmap, one of the things that we tell people is I like to start with long form piece of content, and then from there we can repurpose that into shorter form pieces of content. So what we really like, and one of our favorite channels, one of our best channels, is YouTube. So with YouTube, you can start with that long form piece of content that goes on YouTube, and then you can turn that into short form. You can, rewrite the script with AI and turn it into short form video. You can turn it into written posts for LinkedIn or Facebook. So there's lots of things that you can do from that longer form piece of content. But the first thing that you got to do is you got to come up with ideas for your content. All right. So check this out. So inside of our paid community, we show people how to set up this YouTube video idea consultant that is trained on your product roadmap. So we upload the product roadmap as the knowledge base. We show you how to do that in the Community Builders Elite. But basically what I can come in here, I can say, can you combine my knowledge base, which is that product roadmap, along with your online research, and help me come up with 10 awesome topics for YouTube videos I can create this month. And so it gave me a bunch of different topics, but let's just do this. Hey, can you help? Because a lot of people struggle with coming up with content ideas, right? And this is going to pull content ideas from your product roadmap. So it is trained on your product roadmap specifically, so it knows how to kind of look through that and find good ideas. So can you help me come up with 10 more new YouTube video ideas? Okay. So that's going to help me come up with some more video. Let's check in on our webinar script. Jeff, you want to do that?
Yeah.
So I'll go back to my webinar script here. Let's see. So it's going to ask me some more questions. Please write the script. I will plug in. Please, let's see, review my product roadmap for all the details, and I will plug in testimonials and credentials later. Okay. All right. So let's go back to our YouTube content strategist. All right. So let's see. So these are the new ones. All right. So first one here is how I book 60 plus sales calls per month without paid ads, community funnel breakdown. I love that because people struggle to book calls. So that's going to be a good one. Pricing your community, why I charge X and you should charge more. Why? I don't really understand that one. How to get your first 100 members in just 30 days. That's a great free traffic method. Love that. Lead magnets that are actually convert, my 10K community strategy. I like that one because a lot of people don't understand how to grow your community. I replaced my 50K course with a simple webinar. Here's why it worked better. So that's kind of like talking about what I just talked about with the webinar strategy versus these big elaborate courses. The product roadmap that may be $800,000, my secret planning tool. I like that one. We're talking about that right now. I tried every community platform. Here's the brutal truth. So these are all pulling ideas from my product roadmap that's specifically about my program. Let's go back to our webinar script. Okay, here's the script. So basically what this does is it gives you the slide, the text that goes on the slide, and then it also gives you the speaker notes. So it gives you the exact script. So this is a full webinar that's trained on our specific structure of writing webinar scripts. And so you can take this, and we found another tool called GenSpark that you can take this script, you can upload it to GenSpark, and it will actually build all the slides out for you. And then let me show you one final tool that we've built that can also use the product roadmap. So basically this tool will help us come up with lead magnet ideas, workshop ideas, or challenge ideas. And so this tool will take our product roadmap, help us brainstorm different ideas. It will actually help us create whatever that is and plan it out and add value to it. It'll write the email copy to promote it. It'll write the ads that promote it. And you can do this in like 20 minutes. So all of this, let me just show you. So this is basically, it asks some questions. I come in here, I paste in one of my phases of my product roadmap, and then it comes back and it says, basically, here's some ideas: quick win offer options. So community launch checklist, we've actually created that as a lead magnet, and it does really, really well. Founding member offer swipe. So this is help you to create your founding member offer. Also a good idea. 2-day webinar launch mini training. And then I can just continue to ask for new ideas. So basically it recommended one, which was the founding member offer swipe, but I went in and said, hey, I already have I want to focus on creating a workshop. So that was like the first step, is going to try to create a lead magnet. And then I can tell it, hey, I would rather do a workshop. Let's do a workshop. So now it's shifting to a workshop. And so now it's coming up, and I said around helping people launch their communities. So I want to do a workshop around helping people launch their communities. So now it's going to help me to start planning this out. So the title options, so launch your paid community in 7 days without a course first. The 48-hour community launch workshop, validate your idea with paying members fast. I kind of like that one. From idea to income, how to get your first paying members without spending months preparing. I like number 2. And then it starts to help me to plan out the structure of the presentation, okay? Then it comes up with some pricing ideas and strategy, and then it talks about how we're gonna launch it. And then I said, I like number 2, but it's not getting paying members but it's not to get paying members, it's to launch their free community and get their first 100 members. So I'm just having that back and forth consultation. So it changed the title here, and it still has the structure, pricing, all that. Let's go with number 1. And then it started to help me to plan out my sales page copy. Okay. So step 1 is coming up with my step 2. It's going to help me with first of all, it's going to write my sales page copy. Then it's going to write my email launch sequence. Then it's going to write my ad copy. And then, so it came up with the sales page copy. So check this out. Coaches and course creators struggling to grow an audience, launch your free community and get your first 100 members in just 48 hours, even if you're starting from 0. A simple step-by-step workshop to launch your community fast without tech overwhelm, paid ads, or endless content creation. You've probably thought about starting a community before, but you get stuck overthinking it. The setup, you worry about not having enough content first, or worse, you spend months preparing only to launch to crickets. So this is writing my whole sales copy and the funnel, the order bump and everything. Then it's building my actual email sequence. So like a teaser validation post, which is what we do, what we teach. And then the validation email, and then additional emails to promote it. And then it will actually write the copy. So anyway, basically what I'm saying is that once you have this product roadmap, everything else in the business becomes a whole lot easier. We just wrote a webinar script. We just came up with a bunch of YouTube video ideas. We just planned out a workshop and basically created all the assets to run that workshop. And we couldn't have done that without the product roadmap. So that is our spiel, and that is the key resource that we've been talking about.